Hey everybody, this is Brendan here from Common Motor, common-motor.com on the internet. And today we're going to do an overview of the Vega Deluxe 3/4 helmet. Let's dive in and take a look at why this is a great helmet for you to ride with. Alright, so this is the Vega 3/4 Deluxe helmet. I know a lot of you guys out there don't like to have a full face helmet, so a Deluxe 3/4 like this is a great option. In fact, this is the same exact model helmet that William, who did our long haul series last year, wore during the trip. So he put lots of road miles on it and says it's one of his favorite helmets. So let's show you some of the features of this helmet that makes it neat. In particular, this is a convertible helmet, meaning you can either run it with the face shield on it, or you can run it with this visor on it. And both of these come with the helmet either way. I think most people are going to end up running it with the face shield though. It's multi-position, so you can flip it up, have a drink of water, say hi to your friends, etc. Up top, we've got a couple air vents, a little extra cooling up top while you're riding. Look at the bottom here. Got a quick release strap for fast on and fast off of the helmet. How about this cool feature here? Ready for it? Let's do this. Boom. Built-in sun visor for those of you who like to use the sun visors. The inside uses a nice plush liner, so it's super comfortable. But what makes the liner even better on the Vega helmets is the liner is completely removable. You can take out the cheek pads and the head pad and wash them, especially after that long ride where you got nasty and sweaty. Take them out, wash them by hand, not in a machine. Make your helmet nice and fresh again, or if they wear out, you can actually replace them and put new liners inside. Most helmets don't offer features like that. It's one of the great things about the Vegas. Also, Vega's great quality for the price point helmet. The fit and finish on them is great, and they come with a 5-year warranty on them. So they're really hard to beat. And like with all the products we have on the Common Motor site, we use them, test them out ourselves, so that's why we decided to carry it. Remember to always wear a helmet when you ride, because physics does not discriminate. Be safe on two wheels, and we'll see you next time.